welcome to the homestead.
Hi guys.
Well, it is pretty lousy day.
It is.
We had snow yesterday here in the Ozarks of Arkansas.
With ice.
With ice and drizzle and pretty much a mix of everything. And today it's very damp and there's off and on showers, but we're not going to let that stop us.
No.
As you can see, we are back at the farm stand. Although all our floor joists are done and ready to go down there for the house build, we have to break away now and get back on the farm stand.
Yeah, we want to get this backside closed in so that we can start seeds and have a place to be able to keep them warm, so that we'll be able to be all set for our garden in the spring.
That's right. So it's a 30 by 10 and each section is 10 feet. And this back section that we're standing in front of, this is going to get completely enclosed. Well, the middle section will get enclosed too, guys. But today and this project, we're going to get the back side enclosed and insulated and get power to it so that Missy can start her seeds in it.
Yeah, I don't think we'll get it all done today, but we're going to start it.
No, we're going to try and get as far as we can get. And then once that's enclosed, I'm going to move forward and get this second section, this middle section enclosed. And that'll end up being what?
The middle section?
Yeah.
Well, eventually the middle section will be a wash area and some storage. We'll probably have some refrigerators in there and freezers, but for now it will be empty.
Yeah. It'll be ready for us come springtime. So we're going to jump on this and see how far we can get. All right, what we're gonna do now that I got my bases trimmed, is we're gonna measure out for our purlins. This is gonna be a 2.5 and a 5, all the way down and all the way around. But because it's lean-to style, the front and the side will get an extra purlin at 7 feet. Okay, take this down there. Let me pull it towards me. I want it out flush. Kind of get it on that notch, but we're going to use the level.
The line.
Yeah. Right there. Hold it right there. Perfect.
Until I found you, oh, I'm not gonna let you go. Oh, I'm gonna hold you close. It's hard, cause it took 5 years until I found you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know it. We're just getting started, baby. Right next to you. Move next to me and show me all the things you wanna do. Oh, I can't wait to try them all. Going around the world in a fancy cars. Look at all the stars. I can't believe this is true. It's
all right. Purlins are all done. So now we're gonna break away to our 1-bys and we're gonna see if we can get the back wall done. All right, we are going to start the board and batten on this back side, because as you can see at the top, there's an angle. So there's an angle cut there. So this will be the most difficult one to do. But if we can get this one done, then it'll just be straight cuts on both sides going down the rest of the way.
Yeah.
So we are going to set you guys up on time lapse, because the board and battens will get nailed in with ring shank nails, which means we're gonna have the compressor going.
Yeah, it'll be a little loud.
Yeah, you don't wanna listen to that. So we're gonna throw you on time lapse. Let's get this done.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this.
It's cold.
It's
But
cold,
and
drizzly, nasty day, but we powered through it.
Yeah, we got a lot done.
We got a lot done. What do you think, guys? We need to put our battens on, but I want to get the table saw over here. That's why we didn't put this last board on
Yeah, most of the boards that we have are 5 and 6 inches
for the smaller
for the
ones.
smaller size. So
And
we
we need a
only
4.
need a 4.
Yeah, so I got to get the table saw out here, but it's really starting to drizzle pretty good.
Yeah.
And we're running out of light.
Yep, we're gonna call it a day and
Yeah.
finish up another time.
Yeah, but I think it looks pretty good.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be all right.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comment. Did you see that, guys? Our battery just died. Anyway, we're gonna leave it like this. We're gonna come back because we got guests coming over tomorrow
Yes.
to get a different project done. So stay tuned for that video. And then after that, we're gonna be right back on this.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.